Daren Kirkpatrick?
Yep.
Daren is mad at me right now. Said he did not want to come down here and be chastised. He had better things to do. So I'm thinking that he's probably still pissed off over the 71 Cuda that he says he wasn't pissed off over. Probably pissed off over the fact that I sold the hood off of the car for $1,000. He may have talked to his cousin and found out how much I paid for the car. He just got back from another week and a half vacation, so he knows he does have a chastising coming. It's hard to say what all goes on in his head, but he definitely, I called him back earlier today. I called him from Welby's here. He answered the phone. I said, "Hey, buddy, what you doing?" Click. So that was the end of our conversation. He hung up on me. So, yeah, cool. So, didn't get a bad connection. I hung up on you, Mark. Cool. Are you mad at me? Your dad come right, I'm mad at you. For what? I'm in a lot of pain. Okay. God, you've always been in pain. What's the point of all that, right? So anyway, we get past all that, and he starts lightening up a little bit, so we can kind of bridge the gap, because I let him have a little bit of line. So upstream. So we're talking about the Clone 71 Hemi Cuda that came down. I showed him all the things wrong that I'd seen on that. Having a great conversation. Getting along great. End of the conversation, I said, "So are you coming down Saturday?" "I don't know. It depends whether or not you piss me off." "Well, did I piss you off during the last half hour of the conversation?" "No, you've been pretty decent, but there's still 2 days." Okay. Whatever. He brings it up because that's what he does. Yeah, he's the master of that. He sets the bait. I mean, he's great at the game. I mean, it's all he does. He sits out there on that farmer's marble and he just conspires and plots, and he draws flowcharts in the dirt with a stick, and he's got the bomb, and then he's got these little flows, what our possible responses can be and how we will counter them. We're dealing with a master. Look at him walk in with a stupid smile. "All right, honey, I gotta go."